Colleagues and friends, now we continue with our lessons on Karigamombe. So we did the basic part, and then we did the netetes, and then we did additional netetes where we play two netetes at the same time. So we are happy with the way that we're playing the netetes. Now, today's lesson, we are going to take a next step and do some 3 variations of playing the left side. And what we want is to introduce these bass notes. And so the way we're going to do it is we initially keep the dongi part, we maintain it as it is, but the mombe, we choose one from the top and we choose a corresponding note, from the bass register. So what we end up with is the first phrase, that's the first phrase. And then the second phrase, again. Third phrase. Again. Last phrase. And then so you can start with the basic netetes playing simultaneous. Again. Second phrase. Again. Third phrase. Again. So we can play it the whole cycle. Without gaps. So that is it. And once you are playing this, you can use all the netetes that we learned. In other words, you could go then we said we are learning 2 styles of play at the same time, so this is simultaneous. You can split the notes. once you're comfortable, you can ramp up the speed a little. That is it. So this is just one part, you know, of starting to incorporate the basses. So the second part that we want to do on the left is we want to play, there's a nice part where we play the basses going down. So the first phrase you go, we've reversed the dongi. That's the first phrase. So, and then the second phrase we continue because we want to play the basses going down. Second phrase. And then the third phrase. And then last phrase. So if you play it alternating it, so where we are ending here, this, and then we start again coming to this note. So we're going, and then we come to this note, and then this one. So that's the pattern that we were creating, you know, of coming down with all the basses. So. So that's the second part, you know, of cascading with these basses. And it's a sweet part. If we add on to it, when we start doubling notes, you know, it creates a very interesting cascade also. but we'll do that. We'll do this in a separate lesson. So the third part that I want us to do for today is to use this B1. So instead of we go and then, so where we were going, what we're just changing is this first part so that we use B1. So that's the first phrase again. And the second phrase, where we were going, donkey. So again, that's the second phrase. Third phrase, again, and then the last phrase, again. So let me start with alternating. So we've got three parts. We started out playing just the top notes. What we've done today is introduce the basses. That's one part, and then we did a special part where the basses are cascading down. And then we've introduced a style of playing B1 in every phrase. And then for that you can play together with the nettetes. Or you can play alternating and use all the nettetes that you know. So there are many additional steps where we started adding, additional bass notes into playing them. Instead of 2-2-2, we play them as 3-3-3, and then we can even step it further to play them as 4-4-4. But that's for additional lessons. I think for today's material, I think that's enough. Thank you.